Hey guys! Today we are doing DIY slime. So basically we're making slime, and before this happens, it's totally safe. Just do not eat it.
Yes.
It's not edible slime, it's just regular slime. So yeah. Sorry. She just said do not eat it again. But yeah. So for this you will need some detergent, a full bottle of Elmer's glue, a bowl, something to mix with, and these two are optional, but some food coloring, which is over there, and glitter, which we have some glitter here.
Because we're making glitter.
We're gonna make glitter slime. So yeah.
It's gonna play.
Yeah. So first take your glue, just open it up like this. Yeah. And when you open it, just pour the whole bottle in.
Oh, can I put it?
Yeah.
Okay. Go.
So now it should just look like that. It's just glue and it's pretty runny. So then you're gonna take your detergent, and you cannot just pour it all in. You have to pour it in little by little, or else it's gonna clump up and it's just gonna be an epic fail. So put as much detergent as you need, and if you if it feels like it's enough, then yeah, it's enough.
I felt sorry for myself, right? So February 28th, March 1st, I celebrated. I love
little by little, and while you do it, just like put a little bit, then mix it, and then a little bit, and then mix it.
There's still glue on
You
this.
have to hurry up.
Now I mix.
And mix it before it hardens. So just keep on. Oh, it's already. Keep on mixing. Keep on mixing it.
Sorry, getting blue.
Go. It's gonna start to get really hard. So not really hard, just like really hard.
Yeah, it's gooey. Oh my gosh.
Go mix this.
Oh gosh.
It's turning into glue.
Ah. Yeah, it's
Oh,
getting
it's
into.
getting really hard. Not yet though. It's not ready yet.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
It's like
Look at this. Can I touch it?
blue. I guess we're having blue then. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Alright, keep on mixing. I'm gonna add
But we
some
can
more.
just add some food coloring to it, blue food color, to make it more blue. Okay, this is hard. Look, everyone. This is how it looks.
This is how it
Look
looks
really
so far.
blue.
They can't see. This is how it looks so far.
Yeah, it's blue
Oh
and
my
white.
goodness.
It's
It's
blue and white.
sticky though. It needs
Can I touch
more.
it?
No.
Wow.
Okay, you guys. So this is what the end result looks like, and the detergent will dye the glue because our detergent was blue, and clearly this is blue as well. So yeah, and it's like really dense. It's really.
Oh my gosh, I just touched it.
I mean, it feels like glue, but
Oh my gosh.
I don't know how to
Like-
explain it.
This is how goo feels like.
Yeah, it's how glue feels like, but
Yeah, it's already gooey.
it feels
but
like it's
we
liquidy, but it's not.
Yeah,
And like there will be little like bubble suds from the
detergent.
detergent. So yeah. Now we need our food dye. So this is our food dye. And yeah, so we're gonna pick a color now. So you guys, we picked two colors, blue and purple. And we are sorry about my nails. By the way, we are going to mix these two colors. So we're each putting in 2 drops. And
I almost squished it.
go.
You go first.
1, 2. I think you should do 3 because the base is already blue.
Oh yeah.
Do 3.
3.
That's 4.
Oh. It's gonna be very purplish and bluish.
Oh yeah. Just keep on mixing. So you guys, this is what like the end result looks like. I put it on a paper towel. Oh, that's not such a good idea. It sticks to the towel.
Oh gosh, no!
So
No!
Don't do this.
Never do this
Oh
ever.
Don't
my God, qué
put
pu-
it on a towel, but
Yo di
we
una
added
pu-
glitter.
Pero ¿y eso se come?
Daddy, we're doing a video.
Oh.
It's sticky.
There's a claim.
Oh man, I came on the video with this ugly sweater.
No, we paused it.
Yeah.
If there's an
Why'd you go to work with that then?
never waste.
Oh, it's stuck on me.
Dream to be chased.
We're gonna have to wash this off.
Chase.
It's stuck.
Oh my lord!
He
It
does.
sticks to
This is shaking.
it sticks to the paper towel, so don't do that.
Sharp blade.
Yeah.
It's here.
I think we need.
Oh
more
no, it
detergent.
got stuck to the
You
table.
don't have to scream. It's not stuck.
Oh, no.
It comes right off.
Oh, it's so cold.
Here.
I think we need more detergent.
Shield lubrication.
Yeah, we need more detergent.
Shields from
It's
irritation.
glittery though.
Comfortable shade.
Glittery. Wait,
It's more
what?
like a purple. Okay.
Mine is. It's more like a purple to us, but it's more of a blue to you.
So the camera. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Okay, so let's just put this back in the bucket.
Yeah. Oh god.
Maybe just add a little more detergent. Daddy, do you see where it's
I
going?
tried to. I tried, literally, I tried.
What's in it next? It's time.
So you guys, we put it in a plastic thingy, plastic wrap, and yeah.
I love Dennis Cantor, but he's sort of a one-way player. He's very
And so now we're gonna try to mix it. We added more detergent because this has just been a huge fail.
She's gonna do it
Put it on a
first.
napkin.
She's gonna do it first.
Mixy, mixy. Ooh.
Made a hole.
Yeah, but here's the thing.
That's really soapy.
Their fault. I mean, Westbrook and Katie, are they going to
Oh gosh, you're gonna have to mix it like that.
So, oh, it's like perfect density now though.
Oh,
It like
can
doesn't go in your
can
hand.
I try?
It's squirted.
Can I try?
Yeah, here.
a player who
I'll leave this.
is going to be in that position
Get like this.
actively
Let's get this on my
bad game? We used to give LeBron James
Oh, that's so good. Oh, we added more glitter as well.
I feel so happy. This is so cool.
You're part of the elite athletes in the world.
Oh my
We're on
god.
the same
This
team.
is so
Let's all
cool.
work
Right?
together.
Slime.
Let's start trusting each other.
Pull
Let's
it.
put them in situations where they can be trusted.
But who's given you on that team the reason to trust them? Deion Waiters?
So
Is it Anthony Robertson who can, who defenses just ignore?
Went
when
over,
he
over,
does
over,
that?
it's so cool. You guys should totally try this. It's so
I'll get this piece.
fun.
Yeah, it's so fun. And you can split it in half if you want to do it with somebody too.
So fun. So cool.
Or you could just play it with each other.
That's alright, that's alright, I'll get that man.
And you could
See how
also do it
far
on video if you
you can
want.
When you talk about that looking
Look
in
at
the mirror,
this.
you're
How I think it's a
AD,
ball.
And we know, we all talk about ad nauseam
Molding?
this decision
Molding?
he has to make.
Tata?
Well, games
It's
like last
Matt,
night,
super
I want to try.
fun.
Can I try?
This was a complete success. I totally recommend it. This was so fun.
Right now,
Let's put this on
Right
the.
now, they need to focus on what's going on right
put
now.
this on the
They need to
table.
think about that at the time.
Wow.
Right now, let's focus on.
Whoa.
Casey's gonna make the playoffs. You feel
So you guys,
confident into the
this was a
playoffs
complete
if they wanna
success.
be a championship caliber. It's gonna take
but
more than Russell
Yeah,
Westbrook.
you guys should totally try this.
Other
It's
players
super
are gonna
fun
step
and
up if
super
they wanna
cool.
It's kind of like a galaxy.
It's a little messy, but messy's fun, you know?
Yeah.
And it bounces. It's super fun.
Like a bouncy ball.
Super,
You can make it into any shape you want.
Yeah, and it just, like, you can make any color you want. You can keep it clear. Oh, it's a bubble.
Can I pop it?
Yeah.
Let's show.
Oh,
I wanted to show everybody
See, look.
up close.
Fingerprint.
Oh.
And it kind of shrinks in.
Let's. How about we
Like
flash
this,
it?
and then like that. And
How about we squish it
it
down?
just stays. It's
Let's
just
squish
really
it down.
cool, and I love this thing.
Can I have half of it?
So just squish, squish. It's kind of like a homemade Play-Doh, but like slimy one. It's super cool.
Yeah. And also, if you want to see our homemade Play-Doh videos that we made, click
In
down
the
below.
link below. It's in the link below.
He's gone because he had hip
Oh.
surgery.
Oh, and that's so pretty.
Oh, it's ripping.
How much is that in fact?
This
That's
is
something
so
Oh
cool.
gosh, now it's sticky a little.
Oh, I farted.
He did
Yeah,
his
why
first
did you-
part.
Cool.
So beautiful.
So
Nice.
yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.